pinkish fresh water lilies and luscious green leaves, symbolizing the abundance of this freshwater fish of the municipality of Saraga. Thus boasting the economic status and financial capability of the people of Saraga, the Zaraganuans. The headdress symbolizes the rich agricultural land Saraga possesses. This serves as a Saraganuan's livelihood. The festival costume is an epitome of the people in Saraga, maanyag, mapagsig, nga nagasingit, larga, sustainable Saraga. Your tourism queen, candidate number 1, Chili Grace Panes. Saan, a biblical Hiligaynon term for vow or promise, depicts the religiosity of the Leganesnon. The festival is filled with colors and music, choreographed steps such as processional marches with dancers dressed in traditional Filipino costumes, accentuated with scapulars hanging on their necks and carrying the image of the winged Saint Vincent Ferrer. Miss Leganes Stephanie Solera wears a festival costume inspired by the shrine of Saint Vincent Ferrer. The skirt symbolizes the stained glass located at the retablo of the altar. Representing Panag Festival of the municipality of Anilao, Iloilo. The word Panag is a Hiligaynon term for light, a medium that Anilaunon creatively utilized on the night of the festival. The various spectrum of lights were chosen as the perfect theme for Aniwan annual celebration, uniting Anilaunon in embracing and understanding their origin was the inspiration behind the initiative and the transformation of the multi-awarded festival of the country. The light reminds the people of Anilao of the flame that burned bright to unite them in preserving the common good. The costume of Anilao tourism queen is inspired by the local goddess of fire in Anilao, Daba Daba. Candidate number 4, Regine Ann G. Solieza, is wearing a festival attire from Pandayan Festival of Bajangan, Iloilo. The attire was inspired from the bata, dress that is usually worn by women as they make excellent quality bolos using the waswasan. The costume is made from flimsy material with embroideries for the top and earth-colored full skirt with wrap around designed by Antoinette Catequista of Bajangan, Iloilo. A round of applause to candidate number 4, Municipality of Bajangan. Representing Buh-buh-buh-buh Festival of the Municipality of Tubungan. Buh-buh-buh-buh is a unique town's festival held every first day of May. It was born in cognizant to the celebration of the town's independence, cultural brilliance, and community resilience. The festival is rooted from the word tubo, which means to contribute. Thus, different participating tribes coming from various barangays enjoy their talents and harmonize through the traditional undertaking in festival dances. It features musical and tribal dance drama that use realistic costumes and props to depict scenarios, whereas always it emphasizes the tradition, culture, and heritage of the people of Tubungan, the Tubunganos. Candidate number 6 from the municipality of Dueñas, Iloilo. The Anihan Festival costume is the traditional outfit worn by women during the harvest time, known as sayal kakbayo. The sayal is a loose, long skirt, shirt or blazed at the waist, sometimes launched with a scarf, shawl, or any piece of oval or square cloth. It may be worn without the flounce. Bayo is a loose blouse up to the waist with bell-shaped sleeves to incapable speedy movement in harvesting crops, especially rice. The headdress is called sadok, made of anahaw, which symbolizes resourcefulness of all Dueñasanos. It is beautified by wooden stones and pugsong. Femi Kamingawan Lama, portraying the Florence Nightingale of Panay, the national heroine Nazaria Lagos, a native of Dueñas, Iloilo. June 12, 1899. Panay celebrated the proclamation of its independence, where Lagos sued the Philippine flag, raised the Plaza of Dueñas with the help of Gorgonia Zumera, Lorenza Calatan, and her children, Pomposa and Caridad. Ladies and gentlemen, your Anihan Festival Queen, Femi Kamingawan Llama.